The St Andrews Prize for the Environment is now in its 24th year. Its aim is to identify and to recognise projects which address the many challenges to our environment of the climate crisis. It also aims to identify projects which are credible, which are original, which are scalable, and which are replicable. This year, the quality of the entry was exceptionally high, and we received a large number of entries from right across the world.
This year we were delighted to award the prize to Misión Tiburón for their fantastic work with scalloped hammerhead sharks. And what we really loved about this project was that Misión Tiburón really understand the importance of making connections. They understood that you need to make connections between people, between science, between policymakers if you want to effect conservation change. The marine environment is such a profoundly important part of planetary health.
Well, we are very excited, and it's a great honor for us receiving the St Andrews Prize for Environment. And for me personally, it's a great honor also receive this prize in name of our organization and all the people that each day work with a lot of commitment and passion for ocean and shark conservation. Thanks to the St Andrews Prize, our organization will be able to scale up our restoration project in mangrove ecosystems used as nursery ground for the critical endangered species.